Welcome to Mindful Journey. Today we explore Elon Musk's bionic eyes. Musk's company Neuralink is developing brain-machine interfaces that could potentially restore vision. While bionic eyes are not yet a direct product, Neuralink's advancements in neural technology could pave the way for revolutionary treatments for visual impairments. Elon Musk's Neuralink is also working on a brain implant for vision. In an X-post in March, Musk said Neuralink's device, called Blindsight, is already working in monkeys. He added, "Resolution will be low at first, like early Nintendo graphics, but ultimately may exceed normal human vision." For centuries, humankind has yearned to transcend the limitations of our senses. Today, on the cusp of a new technological epoch, that dream of enhanced vision is becoming a reality. Elon Musk's Neuralink has unveiled its groundbreaking innovation, bionic eyes. These marvels of bioengineering hold the potential to revolutionize not just how we see, but how we interact with the world around us. By seamlessly integrating with the human brain, these devices bypass damaged optic nerves, directly stimulating the visual cortex to create the sensation of sight. This direct neural interface opens up a realm of possibilities, pushing the boundaries of human perception far beyond what nature intended. Neuralink's bionic eyes have the potential to augment human capabilities, granting us superhuman vision. Imagine possessing night vision surpassing that of owls, allowing us to navigate darkness with ease. The unveiling of Neuralink's bionic eyes marks a pivotal moment in human history. At the heart of Neuralink's bionic eyes lies a sophisticated brain-computer interface, BCI. This intricate system acts as a bridge between the digital world and the intricate neural networks of the human brain. The BCI consists of three primary components: an implanted chip, a sensor array, and an external processing unit. The implanted chip, a marvel of miniaturization, serves as the nerve center of the bionic eye system. It receives visual information from the sensor array and translates it into electrical signals that mimic the language of the brain. These signals are then transmitted to the visual cortex, bypassing any damage to the optic nerves and stimulating the brain to perceive images. The sensor array, resembling a tiny camera, captures light from the environment. The array converts incoming light into digital signals, which are then relayed to the implanted chip for processing. The external processing unit, often worn as a discrete earpiece or integrated into a smartphone, provides the computational power to enhance the visual experience. Neuralink's bionic eyes are poised to revolutionize our visual experience, offering a plethora of enhancements that surpass the limitations of human sight. Imagine a world where the visually impaired can regain their independence, navigating bustling streets and appreciating the beauty of their surroundings. One of the most anticipated enhancements is night vision, allowing us to perceive our surroundings in near total darkness. By incorporating highly sensitive sensors capable of detecting infrared light, bionic eyes could grant us the ability to navigate dimly lit environments with ease. Another groundbreaking feature is the potential for enhanced zoom capabilities. Imagine being able to zoom in on distant objects with crystal-clear clarity, discerning minute details invisible to the naked eye. This could revolutionize fields like astronomy, allowing us to peer deeper into the cosmos and unravel the mysteries of the universe. It could also have practical applications in areas such as surveillance, wildlife observation, and medical diagnostics. Perhaps the most transformative aspect of Neuralink's bionic eyes is the potential for data overlays. Imagine having real-time information seamlessly integrated into your field of vision. While the potential benefits of Neuralink's bionic eyes are undeniable, significant challenges remain in seamlessly merging this cutting-edge technology with the delicate tissues of the human body. Biocompatibility, the ability of a material to coexist harmoniously within a living system without causing harm, is paramount to the long-term success of these devices. To address this challenge, Neuralink has invested heavily in developing biocompatible materials for its bionic eyes. The implanted chip, sensors, and electrodes are meticulously crafted from materials specifically chosen for their inert nature, and ability to integrate seamlessly with human tissue. These materials are rigorously tested to ensure they don't trigger adverse reactions or degrade over time, ensuring the longevity and safety of the implant. Neuralink's engineers have made remarkable progress in miniaturizing the components of the bionic eye system, reducing the potential for tissue damage during implantation and minimizing the risk of discomfort for the user. Robotic-assisted surgery is playing an increasingly important role, allowing surgeons to operate with unparalleled precision and minimize trauma to surrounding tissues. One of the most daunting challenges in developing bionic eyes lies in deciphering the intricate neural code that governs vision. The human brain processes visual information with astonishing complexity, converting patterns of light into meaningful representations of the world around us. To create a truly immersive and functional visual experience, bionic eyes must not only capture visual data, but also translate it into a language that the brain can understand. This is where sophisticated signal processing algorithms come into play. These algorithms, running on the external processing unit, analyze the raw data captured by the sensor array and convert it into electrical signals that mimic the neural activity associated with vision. Neuralink is at the forefront of developing these algorithms, leveraging machine learning and artificial intelligence to decode the neural code of vision. By studying the brain's responses to visual stimuli in both sighted and visually impaired individuals, researchers are gaining valuable insights into how to create artificial signals that evoke meaningful visual perceptions. The advent of bionic eyes raises profound ethical considerations that must be carefully addressed. As with any transformative technology, the potential for misuse or unintended consequences is real. Two primary areas of concern are privacy and accessibility. The ability to record and transmit visual data directly from a person's brain raises significant privacy concerns. Who has access to this data, and how is it being used? Safeguards must be put in place to prevent unauthorized access, use, or manipulation of this highly sensitive information. Clear guidelines and regulations are essential to protect individual privacy and prevent potential abuses. Accessibility is another crucial consideration. Bionic eyes have the potential to be life-changing for millions of people living with visual impairments, but only if they are accessible to all who need them. Efforts must be made to ensure equitable access, potentially through government subsidies, insurance coverage, or philanthropic initiatives. For millions worldwide living with blindness or severe visual impairment, Neuralink's bionic eyes offer a beacon of hope, the promise of restoring sight, of regaining the ability to see the faces of loved ones, appreciate the beauty of the natural world, and navigate the world with newfound independence, is a testament to the transformative power of technology. Clinical trials are already underway, with promising results emerging from early participants. One participant, who had been blind for over a decade due to retinitis pigmentosa, described the experience of regaining sight as nothing short of a miracle. She was able to recognize shapes, navigate a room without assistance, and even discern the outlines of her children's faces. While the technology is still in its early stages, these initial successes offer a glimpse into a future where blindness is no longer an insurmountable barrier. The impact of restoring sight extends far beyond the individual. While the medical applications of Neuralink's bionic eyes are undeniable, their potential impact extends far beyond the realm of healthcare. These devices have the potential to revolutionize everyday life, transforming how we interact with the world around us and enhancing our capabilities in countless ways. Imagine a world where augmented reality is seamlessly integrated into our visual experience. Bionic eyes could overlay real-time information onto our field of vision, providing us with instant access to directions, translations, product reviews, and even social media updates. This constant stream of information could enhance our situational awareness, improve our decision-making, and connect us to the digital world in unprecedented ways. In the realm of education, bionic eyes could revolutionize how we learn. Imagine students being able to visualize complex concepts in 3D, Explore historical events through immersive virtual reality experiences, or even learn new languages through real-time translations displayed directly in their field of vision. The unveiling of Neuralink's bionic eyes marks a paradigm shift in our understanding of vision and the potential for technology to enhance human capabilities. We are witnessing the dawn of a new era, one where the limitations of our biology no longer define the boundaries of our perception. As the technology continues to evolve, we can anticipate even more groundbreaking advancements. Imagine bionic eyes capable of perceiving a wider spectrum of light, allowing us to see ultraviolet or infrared wavelengths invisible to the naked eye. Picture being able to record and replay memories with perfect visual clarity, or even share our visual experiences with others in real time. The ethical considerations surrounding this technology will continue to be debated and refined as we grapple with the implications of enhancing human capabilities. However, the potential benefits, particularly for those living with visual impairments, are undeniable. The journey towards a future where bionic eyes are commonplace will be marked by both challenges and triumphs. Overcoming the technical hurdles of biocompatibility, signal processing, and ethical considerations will require ongoing collaboration between scientists, engineers, ethicists, and policymakers. However, the potential rewards are immense. For individuals living with blindness or severe visual impairment, bionic eyes offer the promise of a brighter future, one filled with independence, opportunity, and the simple joy of experiencing the world through sight. For society as a whole, this technology has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, education, entertainment, and countless other aspects of our lives. By embracing a future where technology and biology seamlessly intertwine, we can create a world where everyone has the opportunity to experience the full potential of human vision and beyond.